Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. I wish I could say it's going to get cooler again, but nope. Instead, it's getting even warmer over the next few days. But we will feel some changes as we approach the weekend. Breezes will get stronger across our state. And then by this weekend, we'll be tracking a weak disturbance across our state. It will bring us a slight drop in temperatures, but don't get your hopes up for much. Now notice that over the next few days, our temperature today, tomorrow, Saturday, running about 10 degrees above the average for this time of year. The 90s now looking to stick around on Sunday too, but that's our temperature drop. We'll go from 93 on Saturday to a high of 90 on Sunday. It's not a big drop in temperatures, but it's a change that's coming as we track a disturbance across our state Saturday night. Now, as you look at Futurecast, we started the day with some high clouds. Those high clouds have been slowly clearing out to the east. You'll see more sunshine this afternoon. We'll feel some breezes to our north. This as disturbances pass to our north as well. Then going into the weekend, we'll be keeping a close eye on this, a storm system that is going to be impacting the Pacific Northwest, bringing some flooding rain potentially to Northern California. The bulk of the moisture staying to our north, but we will see an increase in moisture across our state. The rain, the snow primarily also impacting states to our north, but as that disturbance moves east, we'll be tracking a weaker disturbance across our state, and we may manage to get a few showers along the Mogollon Rim. We'll also see that drop in temperatures, and winds will get stronger too. So as you look at Futurecast today, you'll notice that winds will be a bit breezy across northern Arizona, gusting at times near 20 to 25 miles an hour today. A wind around 10 to 15 miles an hour at times later on this evening here in the valley. Tomorrow, though, winds do get a little stronger in northern and eastern Arizona, and here in the valley, we'll start to feel some of those stronger gusts too. And then by Saturday and also Sunday, we'll feel those stronger winds. Saturday especially, when gusts could reach as high as 25 miles an hour, with sustained winds Saturday afternoon coming in out of the west-southwest between 10 and 15 miles an hour. Behind a cold front, you'll notice those winds shift out of the west-northwest, but we'll still feel some lingering breezes on Sunday. No rain, it looks like, for the valley. I took those rain chances out as it looks like our better potential will be along the Mogollon Rim, maybe some sprinkles or a stray shower over the higher terrain just north and east of the valley. But again, for the Phoenix area, not looking promising. We'll just see some clouds, and then by Sunday, things will clear on out. Today, a high of 92 degrees, a warmer day by about 2 degrees. Yesterday, we hit 90, today 92, and that puts us exactly 10 degrees above the average for this time of year. A few spots will end up in the upper 80s, but that only includes a few cities like Apache Junction, Fountain Hills, and Wickenburg, Anthem too. The rest of us looking to top out in the 90s this afternoon. As you look across the state, it is going to be a warmer day in Sedona, up to 82 there. 80s for Kingman as well. Winslow hits the low 80s, highs in the 70s from Show to Window Rock. So again, a warmer day across the state. And tonight, we may not see any freezes as those temperatures manage to stay above that 32 degrees in spots like Flagstaff, also the Grand Canyon. We'll likely bottom out in the 60s overnight into tomorrow morning here in Phoenix. So you'll expect another cool start to the day Friday morning, but then again tomorrow afternoon, back to very warm with those highs in the 90s. That 7-day forecast shows you we'll see the low 90s to finish out the week. Saturday still in the low 90s. In fact, Saturday a little warmer up to 93. That temperature drops a few degrees on Sunday, but then with high pressure building back in, by next week, temperatures warm back into the mid 90s, potentially the first mid 90s of the year for Phoenix as we top out at 95 by Tuesday.